Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I am always looking for things my kids can do indoors that will get out a lot of energy. And this inflatable punching bag by Boxer Point did exactly that. This is my 10-year-old son and my 2-year-old daughter. They both really enjoyed this. My son really likes to do high kicks, and this was really fun for him to be able to have something to actually kick. And it doesn't really take up that much space because it's a small base. It's tall. I'm 5'5", and you can see how tall it is, but the base is very small. We didn't have a problem at all with it tipping over once we had the water in the base. This provides really good exercise without the child even realizing that they are exercising. It's very easy to set up. The base you fill with water, rice, or sand. We used water, and I will say make sure you fill up the base with water before you blow up the top part. Much easier for you. We even had a 13-year-old over the other day, and her and my son loved going back and forth on this. It was kind of fun watching them go back and forth because they were able to really kick it back and forth really quickly. This really helps children of all ages work on hand-eye coordination and reaction time. Very cool. It comes with everything you need, so it has the air pump to blow up the top part. When I say they were rough on this thing, that is an understatement. They beat this thing to death, and it still has no holes or punctures in it. So I'm very impressed. So if you're looking for a way to get some energy out and some exercise for your kids while they're still having fun, this is it.
And that's my point of view.